Hey everybody, woo, here I am. Here's my details. I'm Fiona Fernandez in Piedmont, and I'm an independent stamp demonstrator. So that means I demonstrate sometimes. You don't have to demonstrate. You can join without demonstrating and just enjoy the products and the discount for yourself. Or you can do what I do and run little workshops. And my scissors are dirty. Look, I better clean them today. Right, the box to open. No workshop now, we're just opening a box. So as a demonstrator, we get to pre-order things, which means we get them early. And that means I can demonstrate them early and make things up to show you for what's coming. So some of this is what's coming. Oh, look, there's a little stamp on there. I haven't seen that before on the boxes. There must be something new. That was when the box was sent. So I recently bought the new hybrid black stamp pad. And I'll just find that. Where did I put it? It's on my desk. It's this one. This is a new one. This came out with the new catalogue. And this is the refill. So we couldn't get the refill for a while. So finally got that. Basic black. And that's good. I like to have refills for my ink pads. I'm not sure if I can see comments today, so I'm just on my iPad. Any comments pop up? Otherwise, I'll check them later. Now, this is Shimmering Stripes. So this is something that's coming in July in the online exclusives, I think. I haven't got the website open either. I just thought I'd open my box for you before I go out for a walk and have sunshine. Lovely day out here today. Public holiday, so look at this. I've got to open this and show you. Pretty. Let's get some light on that. Oh, all shimmery. You can see that properly. Isn't that gorgeous? I'm not on my desk as usual. I'm just next to it. So this has, is it only the one pattern? I think there's a couple of, I know they all look the same. Let me just try and get in there. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 sheets of that. That's gorgeous. I think it usually tells you on the packet anyway. Yep, 4. So look out for that in July, or join before then and put it into your kit. What's this one? A Stitched Season. So this is some of the new Christmas stuff that's coming out. It's really pretty. And we could have Christmas in July. I wonder if that's why they're doing that now. So we get some Christmas stuff in July, which is a great idea. Not more people are doing that these days. Anyone else do Christmas in July? I haven't planned anything. Maybe I will. Look at this. I'll just open it half and flick through it. So the pages are double-sided. I still want to take it right out of the plastic. Tricky putting it back in. Nice little patchwork pieces. Give us some inspiration for our patchwork. You've got the red on the back. Oh, that's gorgeous. Very nice paper. It's matte and it's quite solid. Oh, that's lovely. Because I do patchwork as well, so it does inspire me. Got little shapes there. Look at that. Oh, that's gorgeous. So that's a July online exclusive coming soon. And that's the Stitched Season. Ooh, what else is in the box? I've opened it upside down. I can never tell. I just like having the Stampin' Up sticky tape on there. I can see it when it arrives, which is really handy. All Season Velvet. Now, I think this was in the last chance, and I just love velvet stuff. So I won't open it all. It's velvety. It's quite velvety. I'm not sure if I'll use that. Oh, look, I'll just open the corner of it. Not sure if I'll use that as a gift or I'll make stuff with. Just open the very corner of it for you. You can see how velvety it is there. And we've got 3 colours in there. So it's in the last chance. I don't have my phone handy either, so I can't even look it up today. Quick unboxing. Just go onto the website. So the website, it may show up in my, I think there's a link on my post. So you should be able to go to my website from that. But it's that website there, stampin.net, and click on the Shop Now feature. And it'll take you into the store to shop with me. Violet Dreams. Now, this was one of the sweets. This is a July exclusive, online exclusive. So they're not in the catalogue, they're just online once they come available to everybody. This looked really pretty. I'm tempted to do a workshop with this one. Get that out of there. Let's have a look through these ones. Alright, maybe. Again, everything's double-sided. That's a beautiful little pink pattern there. Look at that. And they always tell you on the packet what colours are involved. We'll have a look at that in a minute. That's the back of, you get 2 of each. Just try and flick through them a bit quicker. Oh, they're so pretty. Oh, these will make some beautiful cards. That's the green. Pretty. Oh, we've got some Secret C in there. Oh, we've got a sheet of, I don't know if they're stickers or die cuts. They're die cuts. 2 sheets of that. Look at that. I'll have to pull one of them out. I'll put it back later. Look at that. You get all of those die cuts. They're little frames. If you look on the back of it, you can see all the cut-out pieces. Stick that there. I'll put it back in a minute. Okay, that's the last one. Oh, hang on. I was going to show you the back. We've got the colours in that. Darling Duckling, Fresh Freesia, Gorgeous Grape, Hydrangea Hue, Peaceful Pine, and Secrecy. And the choking hazard would be the plastic. Just be wary of that. Now that is part of sweet, so I've got to work out which, not that one. Not that one. Let's see what's in, I'm not sure what's in the sweet. I can't remember. I can't remember. And I bought another sweet as well. And that's part of that sweet. So that's the little adhesive backed blooms. And I'm sorry if anyone's commenting. I can't see any comments. I will check later and answer you if you've got any questions. Just seeing what's, I'm just trying to find that sweet so that I can pull that one out together. That's the stitched one. Let's do this one. Let's do this one. So there's your stamps. You've got a little thing there, some dies. They're all inside there. So that's what comes with that. Now let's see if there's a ribbon to go with that. I think it'll be this one because that complements it all. And that's the Fresh Freesia ribbon. Look at that. It's got little stitch marks. Hang on, I'll have to open that. Yeah, I'm not seeing any comments here. It says comments will appear here, but they're not. So sorry if you're commenting. I will put this into my YouTube channel as well. I'll just get my scissors. I always get my scissors in under the plastic like that. I sort of squeeze it up so that the plastic sits up. I've got to show you the ribbon. It's gorgeous. Look at that. Hang on. Let's get my hand out there. Oh, that's better. Still not focusing real well today. I'm not sure why. Some days are like that, aren't they? That's better. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, so that's that ribbon. Oh, something else exciting is happening. Oh, new snips. They're bringing those out. There was a time where they couldn't get them, and they've got them again. So that's coming out in July. New snips. Don't forget about Paper Pumpkin. So if you want to subscribe to Paper Pumpkin, feel free to do that. And all the information's on the website. Now, we've got another, oh, these are butterflies. Now, I can't remember which one this one, it's called Gilded Wings Accents. And they're just all die cut butterflies. Look, I won't pull them right out. Gorgeous. Yeah, I think I'll just have a quick look inside. I don't think they're stickers. I think they're just die cut. Got a nice bag there that they came in. I like that. What the bag? It's the resealable one. Yep, they're just die cuts. Beautiful. And there's some images on the website. But they made some lovely cards with those. Now, we've got lots of padding. Okay, so this one will be part of that first Christmas paper. No, that's an embossing folder. We've got, oh, hang on, we've got product of the month. Oh, isn't that cute? So gorgeous. Now just be aware that with the stamps and dies, sometimes the pictures are different to what's inside. So we'll just double check that for you. Look. Where am I going to read things properly? Okay, so there's the little koala. So the koala stamps are tiny little bit bigger than the image on the front. It's very close. Maybe it is close. Hang on. I feel like it's a tiny bit bigger. Let me get closer. Oh no, they might be the same. When I get closer. Let's try that little image there. Now it's a tiny little bit off. Can you see that? So it's just a tiny little bit bigger than the pictures on the front. Thank you for all you do. Hi friends, sending love, just a little note. And there's a little pink one as well. I love it. So cute. So that's called Product of the Month. And when you spend, so that's now, that's current now. And when you spend $125 in Australia, you can purchase this for $9. So if you're using rewards up or anything like that, the 125 is up. Like it has to be 125 total without using your rewards or anything. So you could buy a bit more and use your rewards as long as your total. It'll tell you on your shopping cart that you're eligible for it. You can only buy one. So that's that. This is called the Textured Tree Ring Embossing Folder. And this is part of the online exclusives coming as well. So we will give you that image on your embossing. What else have we got? We've got some Swells of Magic embossing folder because I couldn't help myself. I like embossing folders. That gives you that imprint. So I'll play with these in my lives in the next few weeks. Now, these are so cute. Look at these. These are called adhesive backed mini Christmas buttons. And they go with that suite with the Christmas paper. So the one I pulled out first. Let's pull that back out for a second. Oh. This one. So that all goes with that. Just leave that on the table there. And then you've got these stitched stocking stamps and dies. Look at those. Oh, we'll have some fun with those. I'll just pull the stamps out to check the size. So they've got little patchwork squares. Oh, that's so much fun. Let me just turn that over. Let me check. Again, I think it's similar to the last one. Very similar, very close to the size, but not quite. It's just like a smidgen more. Okay, aren't they gorgeous? Make some beautiful fabrics up. Use fabric ink. They don't sell fabric ink, but if you use the Stay On, be permanent. Next, stamp on fabric. I might do some stamping on fabric. I've got fabric ink as well. Right, and then we've got some ribbon to go with that. So it's a whole suite. I can't think of the name of the suite with a maybe stitch stocking, but it's on the paper. That's called a stitch season. It might be called a stitch season. I haven't got the website open. No, they'll be available in July. This isn't very far away. And then I just threw this in because I wanted some iridescent ribbon, and it is black. I won't open that one yet, but you can see that it's black. It's black ribbon, just plain black ribbon. And that's it for me. So that's my details there if you want to shop with me, if you want to craft with me. Happy to arrange something. And I do lives on Wednesday nights, so that's free on Facebook, and I pop it into my YouTube as well. So I'll catch you next time. Ciao. Have a great day.